The New Zealand Railway Class DF locomotives were built by English Electric for mainline service, with 31 being originally asked for, but the order would be cut down to just 10 locomotives, with them arriving in the country in 1954. Despite looking the part of the pinnacle of Kiwi locomotives, they turned out to be anything but in the early years of operation. This was because the class was fitted with the Mark II engine that would be in the BR Class 40s, but the DFs would be beset with mechanical problems that had to be rectified over the years. These modifications would help the class survive, but they ended up on secondary routes and freight trains on North Island, which gave them some use because of their relatively low axle load. However, the class's fate was sealed by the early 1970s due to the small quantity and multitude of problems, being all withdrawn between 1972 to 1975, with only one survivor, DF 1301, on stag display at the Federation of Rail Organisations of New Zealand. With the preservation of the engine, she had her number changed back to 1501. Even though she was on static display for 43 years, it was decided that she would receive a complete overhaul in late 2018 to working condition, which is still ongoing.